Welcome to the Hurricane.
Shh! Welcome to the Hurricane.
Now let's check out the football team as they try to recover from their last skit. We all saw the jersey reveal.
Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. Soon as we step out the cage, we raising all of the stakes. Make no mistake, either you stay in your place or we putting you on a plate. Look at our face, we put the fear in the dirt. We had to struggle for change, pick up the pace. We put in infinite work, that's why we stay getting paid. Y'all running late, we moving on to the next. You still been stuck in a phase, there's no debate. We draw the line in the sand, we say it straight to your face. They underrate, till we put the team on our back. We took the city to state, what it's gonna take. Another S on our chest, another beat in the grave. We innovate, we always switching it up. They can't predict what we say, come out the cave. They see the blood on our shirt, they see the teeth in the veins. They watching tape, still trying to figure us out. They think we came here to play, they sending snakes. They trying to give us a curse, they want us taking the bait. But that's okay, we keep on dodging the bull. We keep on saying Olay, blocking the way, thinking we flipping reverse. But we keep rushing the gate, stopping the rain. We know they sit on the throne, it's looking easy to take. We not afraid, we put the fear in their bones. Ain't no more running away. They trying to chase, they trying to follow our steps. They trying to copy the wave, boy that's your name. That's why they keep getting curved, you gotta stay in your lane. They wanna claim that we not giving them work, like this is minimum wage. Boys, you crazy, why you keep feeding the beast? Now that you open the cage, nobody's safe. Tell them don't start. Nobody's safe. If you come in, please don't drop your guard. Nobody's safe. If you come, you're messing with a star. For my mama and my pops, I don't care if you the cops, anybody could get boxed. If you aiming for my head, then you better take your shot. If you miss, then this fist gon' be cleansing your clock. I don't care if you the press or the feds or an op. If I stretch out these hands, then prepare to get robbed. If your friends said that you had a chance, understand that they probably was meant for your friends. They my fans. I jumped in the ring and I started swinging. Came from the jungles of drunken demons, fighting them off in the Coliseum. Studied and learned how to target weakness. That's why your team would do better beefing with someone else who was probably vegan. Touch me and lose every single finger. Touch me and watch how I turn the scene. Massacre, as soon as you have the nerve to try to step to me, I will snatch your turf. And matter of fact, scratch that, I will snatch your earth. You tried to breathe to see how the asthma works. We don't compete, I'm not in a class with earth. My boys are down the ball if I say the word. The team is down the hall if I call the serve. I snap them, best believe that I'm massacre. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. Tell them don't start. Nobody's safe. If you come in, please don't drop your guard. Nobody's safe. If you come, you're messing with a star. Nobody's safe. 1, 2
Come with us to check out the volleyball team as they're entering their region tournament this weekend.
Our volleyball team has state coming up right around the corner. Now you're going to hear from just a couple of my awesome teammates. Let's check it out.
The work ethic at practice recently has been pretty tough because we're getting ready for state and doing more conditioning. But throughout the season it's been pretty easy, but now going into state just getting a little bit more serious. And one thing I love about the team is our bond, especially this year. It's been really great. We haven't had any drama on the team, and we're really all just like best friends.
Our bond as a team is really good and we all get along really well.
Something I think we're really good at is serve receive and defense, because that's all we work on in practice, and in the beginning I think it was one of our weaknesses, and I think we've worked really hard on making it better and improving. And one of our weaknesses is probably hitting against big blocks and trying to get the ball down.
We're really bad at getting the balls in the court when we have away games.
The second round of region will be held here at Cartersville, so make sure to show up and be loud. Go Canes! Now let's see how some of our other sports are doing.
Softball finished first in the region and keep that placement going into state.
Football came back after a tough loss against Calhoun, beating Cass 35-13. We wish the best of luck to all of our fall sports ending their seasons and can't wait to watch our spring sports start theirs.
Now let's check out one of CHS's favorite football coaches and teachers, Coach Candela.
Let's go!
All right, so one thing I like about teaching, really it's the kids. I love building a relationship with the kids, sharing knowledge of subjects that I enjoy. So, my favorite thing about Cartersville High School would be really the student body again, the diversity between the student body, but how they all kind of get along and everyone seems to kind of gel together. If I weren't a teacher, what would I be? Probably would have either went into the military or would have become a police officer, because I've always really liked law enforcement. Or the FBI. That'd be fun too.
That's all we need.
It's kind of getting cold out.
And you know what that means? It's UGG season!
Here's your weekend weather.
Hi, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Ashton.
And this is your weekend weather. On Friday, it's a high of 71 with a low of 43 and a 3% chance of rain.
On Saturday, it's a high of 75, a low of 49, and a 3% chance of rain.
On Sunday, it's a high of 78 with a low of 53 and a 6% chance of rain. And that was your weekend weather.
Now for a quick announcement.
Next Friday, October 21st, is football's last regular season home game versus Woodland. That night, we'll be hosting a student tailgate.
It's free for all students, but make sure you sign up with the link in your email.
Now, let's check out some baby pictures.
I'm Emma, and guess that baby.
I'm Becca, and that was my baby picture. I'm Allie, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Marcus Sanders, and that was my baby picture. I'm Ramsey, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Caitlin, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Mackenzie Ashmore, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Evan, and this is my baby picture.
I'm Lily, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Griffin, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Ansley, and that was my baby picture.
I'm Carter Jordan, that was my baby picture.
And that's it for Guess That Baby. See y'all next time.
It's time for everybody's favorite segment.
Man on the Street.
How many bones does a shark have?
36.
0. 45. 37.
None.
45. No. 0.
Boy.
Who started Apple?
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs.
Oh gosh, I don't know. Oh wait, Steve Jobs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know his name.
Okay, Steve Jobs.
Johnny Appleseed. I don't know.
Oh. Bezos.
No. How many Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are there?
4.
5?
Four, sorry.
4? 4. There's the red one, the blue one, the green one, and the orange one. 4. 4.
Yeah.
What is Kylie Jenner's daughter's name?
Oh, Kylie Jenner. Stormy.
Yes. I don't know. How do people not know that?
Kanye.
No, because he definitely knew that, but he saw that people don't see this and he was like, oh,
I don't know who it is.
Stormy.
Stormy.
I don't even know who Kylie Jenner is.
Okay.
She's the one with the fake butt.
No.
Then I was right.
Stormy. How many wives did Henry VIII have? 8. No. 6. 7. 8.
7.
No. 6. How far can a squirrel fall without dying?
100 feet.
Any height.
He just dies.
No. Any height.
Okay, that's it.
4 feet. 30 feet. No. Any height.
Like infinity, because like they stop at a certain pace and they don't die.
Good job.
Everybody had a fun fall break last week.
Let's go see what everyone did.
Let's see how quick we are here at CHS.
It's time for a 5-second challenge.
Name 5 something, and you're gonna get 5 seconds to do it.
Okay.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 5-second challenge, ready? Name 5 candies. Go.
Kit Kat, Snickers, Sour Patch Kids, Reese's, and Jolly Ranchers. Got him.
Hershey's Nuggets, candy corn, lollipops, and Twix.
Reese's. Snickers. Twix.
Name 5 Halloween movies. Go.
Hocus Pocus, Hocus Pocus 2, Home Alone. No, that's not.
Thumbs up. Go.
Hocus Pocus, Hubie Halloween, Halloween Buddies. I don't know.
Go.
Hocus Pocus. Nightmare
Scary
Before
movie.
Christmas. Let's get it.
Name 5 Halloween decorations. 3, 2, 1, go.
A jack-o'-lantern, a witch, a pumpkin, a ghost. I don't know.
Name 5 Halloween decorations. Go.
Jack-o'-lantern. Dude, no way anybody gets this in 5.
Go.
Pumpkin.
Time's up.
Candy corn.
Yeah, thanks, y'all. Some of y'all park like you only have 5 seconds. Let's see what our parking patrollers think about it.
I'm Emma. I'm Sydney. I'm Ashton.
I'm Blake.
I'm Allie.
And this is bad parking.
And this is bad. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
And this is bad student parking.
Good morning. Good morning. You have like no room right here, but there's like 3 feet over here where you can park. So park over here.
Again, you have no room right here and then tons of room right here. You're very, very crooked.
You're crooked.
You're on the you're I'm ready. You're way too close to the curb and you have room over here.
Send her to the ranch.
Look out, Stitchies! Wait, we should all stand in front of.
Not gonna say any names, but if this is you, man, just scoot over, okay? I don't know what your tire's doing. I think you forgot to turn your wheel at the end. Duh.
It fits the blade.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
No, it
Sorry, whoever this is. I just hit your.
If you belong to this truck, you're like over the line, you're way crooked. Nick. Wow, that was awful. Thanks for watching Student Parking. Burn! Student Parking.
Everyone needs a little extra love in their life.
Let's go spread the love around CHS.
It's National I Love You Day, so let's go spread some love here at CHS. Yay! Oh, that was so cute.
It's National I Love You Day. I think National I Love You Day. National I Love You Day. Thank God.
You guys got me injured.
Why?
You hurt my finger.
Oh, we're so sorry.
It's National I Love You Day. I love you too.
I love you. Oh.
It's National I Love You Day.
Wait, hold on. Give me a second, okay? I gotta gather myself.
So, I'm gonna ride across this people. What's up, bro?
It's National Hug Day.
National Hug. I wanna hug her. Love you.
Love you.
All right. So.
It's National I Love You Day. So we're giving hugs out. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You made my day.
I'm glad. It's National Hug Day.
Appreciate it. You too.
Black guys were in.
Hey, Miss Candela. It's National I Love You Day, so I have to give you a hug.
Oh.
Thank you.
National Loving Day?
National I Love You Day.
Oh, well, thank you. I love you too.
Hey, Miss Collier. It's National I Love You Day, so I have to give you a hug for the video.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's sweet.
Hey, Miss Walker. It's National I Love You Day, so I have to give you a hug.
Aww.
Do it. It's National I Love You Day, so we're making a video, so I have to give you a hug. Thank you. Hey, dear.
Hey, Miss Roberts, it's National I Love You Day, so I gotta give you a hug.
You doing well?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Awesome.
Yeah. It's National I Love You Day. National I Love You Day. What?
It's National I Love You Day, so. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks.
It's National I Love You Day.
Well, I guess that's all we have for the hurricane this week.
We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Peace. You didn't think this was the end of the story, did you?
Time for bloopers.
Okay. Don't climb this fence. I should climb the fence. I know.
CHS.
Sure, if you can hear me, clap once. I can't do that. I'm not gonna crease these first. Hurry, you gotta go first. Say, I'm in my...
No, we have to do intro.
Now for a quick announcement. We wish the best of luck. We wish the best of luck to all of our fall sports ending. We wish the We wish the best of luck to all of our fall sports. We wish the best to all of our fall sports ending soon. I found. Wait.
Ah, oh my God.
Think about it. It's National I Love You Day. It's National I Love You Day, so let's go spread some love here at CHS. Oh my God. I was cheering for